Hello guys, today I want to talk about that if we don't have router and we want to connect the different VLANs together, how can we do it by the switches? And this technique is inter-VLAN routing. Before I made a video by a router of Sticky, we use routers to manage to connect all the VLANs together. But this way is without router and by the switches we can do it. So let's go. I start with switch 1. Let me explain you. Between the switches we make it trunk because of the I put it T that you know it, and we set the access between these VLANs, VLAN 10, 20, and that's it. Then I will explain you everything. So I am going in configuration. We made VLAN 10. Okay, I don't set a name, just make the VLANs, VLAN 20. Okay, now I set interface of Giga02 in access mode. So I go in gig 02, then I set it as switch port. Oh, sorry, interface. Yeah, 02. Then switch port mode access, switch port access to VLAN 10. Okay, then the next interface is Giga 03. Okay, switch port mode access, and we set switch port access to VLAN 20. Now let's make the trunks also interface here Giga 00 and 01. So I choose range gig 0/0 -1. Okay, I set these two trunks same time. So switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, then switch port mode trunk. Okay, now the things that I made, this is the matter that your switch must support the layer 3 also. It means that the VLANs can support the layer 3. Now I am going in configuration and I am going in interface of the VLANs. For example, VLAN 10. Okay. Then I set the IP address here. IP address 192.168.10.1 and the subnet 255.255.255.0. Okay, and then I make it no shot to be sure the interface is on. Okay, next step, I am going in interface VLAN 20. No shot. IP address 192.168. This is belong to 20, so I set it 21 255.255.255.0. Okay, so we set everything in switch 1. The last thing that is necessary to do it, you need it to enable IP routing. So I run the IP routing here. Now I am going to set up switch 2, enable conft interface gig 03, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, the next interface is gig 02. So I go 02, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, now I set the trunk for giga 01 and 00. So I am going interface range gig 0/0-1. Okay, then switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, switch port mode trunk. Okay, that's it. I go now in the interface of the VLANs, interface VLAN 10, no shot, IP address 192.168. Here was VLAN 10. For switch 2 I set it 10.2. 255.255.255.0. Now I am going in interface of VLAN 20. I set IP address 192.168.22 255.255.255.0 and no shot. It's in a different version of the iOS is different. Some of them just we go inside the VLAN, it automatically turn on the interface. Some of them you must turn it on. So always do it no shot. I set all these things. I am going now. I set IP routing also activate in configuration. Okay, down. Now I'm going in switch 3. Okay, configuration. Just here you can watch better. In gig 02, I'm going to set access mode. So I can switch port mode access, switch port access to VLAN 10. Okay, interface, next interface is giga 03. So switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, then we will set the trunk interfaces 00 and 01 here. So 001, switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, switch port mode trunk. Okay, now I am going in VLAN 10 in switch 3. I set IP address. First I do no shot. IP address 192.168.10.3 255.255.255.0. Then the next interface VLAN 20, no shot, IP address 192.168.23 255.255.255.0. Oh, 50. Okay, and active IP routing. Okay, Now I am going and set some IP address manually because I don't put the DHCP server. You can set a DHCP server in. If you watch the video of a router of Sticky, I show you how you can set a DHCP server. So automatically the IP will get the IP from the server. But anyway, we set it. For example, 192.168.10.10. 255.255.255.0, and I set this PC belongs to switch 1. I set the gateway 192.168.2.1. Sorry, 10.1. Okay, because it is in range of 10, and we set Inter-VLAN here in Inter-VLAN address. We set the gateway of 10.1. Check for duplicate address. Okay, set for PC2 IP 192.168.20.20 255.255.255.0, and the gateway is the 21. We set it in switch 1. Okay, now PC6, it's in VLAN 10. I set IP 192.168.20 sorry, 10 11 255.255.255.0, and the gateway is 192.168.10.2 because it's in switch 2, and we set this IP for Inter-VLAN of 10. Okay, next we set a IP for VLAN 20 here in switch 2, 192.168.20.21 255.255.255.0, and the gateway 22. Okay, it is the others PC also on switch 3. You can set it same. Now let's go and try to check everything work fine or not. I try to ping to this PC. We set it here 1011. Okay, so from here I ping 192.168.10.11. We are ping to the VLAN 10, VLAN 10 to VLAN 10 work fine, perfect. Now we ping. I want to ping now the out of the VLAN 10. It is VLAN 20. We set here 2021. So I write it 168.20.21. See, it worked. And pinging easy. So this is the way that you can connect the different VLANs by this technique without router. I hope you like it, and I have some videos. It's more than 10 minutes. I cannot upload it in LinkedIn. It's better you can watch the full video on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.